Well, my dear viewers, I trust you've enjoyed the last half an hour with me. I've had a lot of fun, and it's been really a great time bamboozling you, having a few laughs with you, and of course, making you wonder, what am I going to get up to next? I did say I'm going to make, or attempt to make, a helicopter appear. I'm here at Cape Town International Airport. You can hear the planes and the noise behind me. One camera, this camera has not cut or edited, you've seen no glitches. Here I am, I've driven over this runway with my Jeep. Is it possible? Can I do it? Right here, right now. Ladies and gentlemen, for you, a helicopter right on this runway with one camera, no edits. I wonder what Gert's going to say. Let's have a look. What do you say, Gert? What were you doing?
What can I say?
Hey, how about that, huh?
You've got yourself a permanent job.
Wonderful, great. I'll see you next week.
It's going to work.
Well, wonderful, yes.